you say about Tita? Tita is very what? Ugly? Tita is ugly? Tita is ugly, nak? Is Tita ugly? Huh? Is Tita ugly? Publish it. Publish. Shout it. Say yeah or oh. Tita is ugly. Tita is ugly. Nge. Mwah. Say hi. Hi, Tita. Tita pangit. Sit properly, nak-nak. Say hi to Tita. Hi. What is that, Tita? What is that? Hi. Hi, nak-nak. Hi. Nak-nak. Hi. Oh. Hi. Smile. Oh. What is that? Tita pangit, nak? Is Tita pangit? Is Tita pangit? Gua ada. Where is pangit? Where is Tita pangit? Say oh. Say hi. Lele. Lele. Oh. No. Do you want to stand up? Ha, nak-nak. O sige, we will stand up. Mag-record, oh. Hi! Where is Tita pangit? Where is Tita? Here is Piglet. Piglet. This is Tiger. And the last, Pooh. Here is Pooh. Si Pooh. Where's the camera now? Ha?
Ang opor na opaw.
Ikaw mo na mata. Uy, saan mo na mata? What's happening to your eyes? Did you see something? Huh? What did you see? What is it?
Ito, bimbugan.
Count me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Nangiwit na doon.
Tangsot. Or tangsot. Tangsot.
Ako ba?
Show your tongue. Tongue's out, knock. What's ahead? Wa.
Wah.
Oh, sige, say. Aku. Nak. Aku.
Gigil ka.
Aku. 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 What? Ding ding ding. Ding 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 ding. What can you say about Tita? Is Tita ugly? Tell the truth. Nak, is Tita ugly? Nak, tell the truth. Is Tita ugly? Huh?
No.
Is Tita beautiful or she's ugly?
Oh.
Or speechless? Silent means yes. Is that true, Nak? Tita is ugly? Is that true? Tita is ugly. Ugly.
Opart niyang opaw.
What is this? Say hi.
Opaw.
Hi to the microphone. Hi. Ay. Ay. Malibat ng eyes ron. Ay. Nak, tell the truth. Is Tita ugly? Huh? Silence means yes. Stop recording.